What's good, guys? Welcome back to a new video. We are here at Crossfit Barbaric in Beverley near Hull. Hull obviously produces the top tier CrossFit athletes like Sam Briggs and my man Oscar Sweeney in the house.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
So today we're going to do a FRAN workout, which is 21 thrusters, RX, 21 pull-ups, 15-9, head-to-head.
21, 15, 9 thrusters and pull-ups, 43 kilo.
Yeah, solid.
Yeah, man.
Oscar, talk me through your CrossFit career so far.
Not really done much, to be honest. I haven't really.
Not done much. Just won a few comps. Earlier you were talking about the sort of athlete you were. You said you're a combination of various different athletes. So I'd like you to talk me through that.
If you get a bit of Cristiano Ronaldo, mix it with some Conor McGregor, bit of Mike Tyson, throw it in a blender.
Bit of Matt Fraser?
No, too boring, mate. Bit of Mike Tyson,
okay.
razz it in a blender, comes out something like this. You know what I mean?
Oh,
right then.
Yeah. Right, so charge pre-workout, 3 grams of B-charnine, 200 mg of caffeine, the secret to no lactic acid production, the secret to beating off during this workout. Let's go. That was torture. My arms.
Close.
The worst part is, I've got a CrossFit competition in like 5 weeks. I'm going to do so badly.
How you feeling? You look alright.
I'm feeling fine, bro, because I'm an absolute animal.
Oscar, didn't you nearly fall off the bar?
I did fall off the bar. I did fall off the bar. Yeah.
Yeah, same. Good, well done guys. Good job.
I felt the bar breaking because I'm so powerful. Yeah. So I thought, I'll just give the bar a rest. That's why I was slower. Yeah. But sometimes you got to give the weights a rest. So sometimes my time's a bit slow.
Yeah. That's what I did.
Yeah.
Massively. Let the weights rest.
You are looking big now, to be fair.
Fuck.
Just go do it again so you can get.
You know what, mate? I felt alright.
Yeah.
Like, I came off it. But yeah, I was just, yeah.
I reckon you could have done too.
Yeah, but sometimes we've got to give the weights a rest.
Yeah, yeah. It's a bit unfair on the weights.
Yeah, it's harsh. I mean, I was doing thrusters yesterday, so I thought, chill out a bit, man.
We're at CrossFit Barbaric. I'm here with Miles. He's the coach at the gym, and he's going to take me through every step to do a bar muscle up today. So kind of everything that I might need to know if you're interested in doing one yourself, just the steps and processes to get one. So take it away.
Okay, so what I would say for Tom is, at first you want to be looking at, what's his strict pull-ups like? Yeah, can he do 5 to 8? If he can get his chin all the way over, or if he can get his chest to the bar, 5 to 8 of there. From there, we're going to start thinking about our hollow and arch position. Okay, so if I was to demonstrate hollow and arch, I'll get you to do this in a second. We want to be using those big muscles in our back, right? So if I was to get Tom to jump up there, I'm pretty certain he can already do strict pull-ups, so we'll just skip that step. But this is what we're looking for. We're looking for that nice hollow and arch position. He's engaged there. Here his core's engaged. Way back, his posterior chain is engaged. Yeah, he's coming back. He's meeting my hand. He's engaging those lats. All right, so if he was to drop down from there, what we're looking for is we want to start progressing that. So we need to get those legs back, and then we need to fire them up towards the bar. Yeah. When we're thinking about a muscle up, we're thinking about getting those hips up to that bar. Yeah. So we're going to use that nice, big, strong hollow and arch position. We're getting those hips up. Yeah, that position there, you see my arms are still straight. Hips are going towards the bar. Jump up, let's give that a go.
No chance.
Give that a go.
That looks so easy.
Just a big jump, engage those lats, pull that bar down, let's go. Hips up more, lean back more. There we go, so you see he's much higher now. He's all the way up at the top of that bar now, yeah? Rest there. After this point here, nice, violent sit up, yeah? He's gonna think about getting his head to his toes as he transitions over, so he wants it to all work. One fluid movement. Start off big, hollow and arch. Headbutt. You're over that bar. We're going to try it. I'm going to give him a bit of an assistance because I think he's strong enough to do it. We're going to go 1, 2, 3. I'm going to push him. Let's see if we can get him over. Don't overthink it. Just keeping those arms straight. Again, those hips to the bar. Ready? 1, 2, and 3. He's close. He's close. So what he's doing there, pulling a little bit too early, he's pulling it to his chest. There's a bar in the way. Pull to your chest. You've got nowhere to do it.
Yeah.
We've got to get those hips up there, right? Hips.
Yeah.
Okay? We're going to go again. I'm going to push him a bit more now. Think that you're trying to get your head through that roof.
Yeah.
Hips to the bar, head through that roof. Okay, same thing. So 1, 2, and 3. Trying to use those biceps again. Yeah. So what we can do from here, yeah, if I was coaching Tom in a class and I would say, he's really close, I think he's got that kipping movement, we'd say, maybe we're going to think about going into a band, okay? So we'd wrap this band around a smaller one. Now we're going to start thinking about using that band with that kip, okay? So that foot is going to go in that band if I can do it. It's embarrassing. All right, we're going to wrap that foot over the top. We're still going to use that kip. We're going to fire up. I'm using that band to help me. All right, so let's give that a go. So we're still going to rely on that hollow and arch position. Let's put this foot over the top of the other one so it doesn't ping off.
Yeah.
So we're still going to use our lats. Hollow and arch, yes, there we go. There you go. Bit bigger, and then pop those hips. I'm going to fire over. Pop the hips, over. There we go. Nice. And then on the way down, he's going to swing back into it, pop the hips, next one. There you go, perfect. Right, he's there. Perfect, all right. So what I would say, Tom did a good 2 there. That's what I would say. You know, maybe give him a minute rest. He'd do another 2, minute rest, another 2. Yeah, and then he's getting a good amount of reps involved there. You know, he's not just doing a one-off. He wants to progress with it, right? As soon as he's mastered this, you know, he can get multiple reps, 5 reps. You know, take that band away, get a thinner band. Eventually, we're progressing on without the band, yeah, on that higher bar. All it is hips. And there we go. So, yeah, well done. Good job.
Nailed it.
Nailed it. Good job.
We're going to finish with perfect bar muscle form. Just so people can see the end result.
So, yeah, as I was saying, just get those hips up there. If you're strong enough with your kip, you don't even need to have that dip. You can land it with straight arms. I'll show you 2. I'll show you 1. Straight armed. I'll do my second one. A little bit more of a dip. But if your hips are strong enough, yeah, we can get ourselves all the way over. No dip. If we use a dip, we're here and then over. All right. There we go.
Sorted.
Good job.
4 weeks.
4 weeks. There we go. Easy.
4 weeks. We're gonna have a bar muscle.
Yeah, definitely will. Definitely will. Cheers, guys.
Right. So after a 5-minute, my first ever 5-minute bar muscle up tutorial lesson, I'm gonna give it a go. Finish the video with a banded bar muscle up attempt. Here we go. Get a bit of a few dips. Right, I'm going to end the video here. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe if you're new. I'll see you in the next one.